Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mateusz Debek, and I had the pleasure to be a part of the ECOCORK project run in the previous years. I'm a researcher at the Wrocław University of Science and Technology, and I would like you to guide you through a walkthrough presentation of our book chapter entitled Sectors for Cork Products, Cork Properties, Future Trends for Cork. Introduction. Natural cork, the main product of the unique forest ecosystem in the world of oak trees, is a material with unique properties that can be reused in any form, non-toxic, durable, and wear-resistant. Cork effectively binds atmospheric carbon dioxide, which is essential, especially concerning global warming. The world of science and business values cork for its extraordinary physical and mechanical properties that can be synergistically used for the sustainable development of the economy and industry. There are several cork sectors that are listed below: micromobility, energy, aerospace, sports, fashion, automotive and railway, expansion joints and insulation corkboards, construction and infrastructure such as cork underlayment, architecture and design applications including floors and wall coverings, stoppers for still and sparkling wines and spirits. Available cork trends on the market. In most cases, application of cork is strongly connected with its specific outstanding properties. Cork material, as bulk, is relatively expensive. This is the main reason why designers choose these materials only with care about special requirements that must be met. This is why cork applications are unique and non-obvious. It is not common that the cork material is the primary material for engineering equipment. Cork usage is secondary material, which other materials cannot substitute. And there are presented pictures that I will be briefly describing. On the left side, you can see cork stools. It's a very simple stool created for sitting, and this picture was taken in the Museum of Cork in Portugal. On the bottom, on the left bottom, you can observe Lego-like structures created from agglomerated cork. It's a toy for kids to create some buildings or constructions. In the middle, you can see mugs with a cork top and the bottom. On the right side, there is an example of architecture usage of cork. Firstly, cork flooring. It is becoming very popular in Europe to have flooring in our apartments with cork reinforcement. As it was mentioned before, cork has some unique properties such as thermal isolation and acoustic isolation. The acoustic isolation is in this particular example, the best example and the best reason why to use cork flooring. On the right side, there is an example of thermal isolation. Cork could be used while building our houses in order to keep the warm inside during winter or during summer to have a cooler environment. Cork is also used as a designing part in our houses. There are lots of cork boards available in the market and some decorations made of agglomerated cork. Engineering cork trends. One of the most critical features distinguishing cork from other natural materials is enabling its broad application in its high ability to absorb energy even under relatively low stresses. The average value of the energy absorbed during compression of the plug to the level of 83% of the initial volume. The already mentioned flame retardancy and the ability to slow down fire spread is a significant cork feature. The cork burns without flames, and very importantly, does not emit toxic gases. Cork is a flexible anisotropic cellular material with specific mechanical properties, mainly due to its susceptibility to gradual bending, deformation, and thickening of its cell walls under loading. On the pictures below, on the left side, you can see a sandwich-like structure with aluminium and agglomerated cork. This example of cork usage in engineering industry is explained in our book chapter, where there's information about the doors for trains. On the right side, you can see another sandwich-like structure with carbon fiber composite and agglomerated cork. There are several examples in our book chapter. One of them is an example with a firefighting truck, where there was the use of actual carbon fiber composite with agglomerated cork. Due to its thermal isolation, due to its sound isolation, and the flame retardancy. Another example that will be explained right now is a frontal protection system made of cork and carbon fiber reinforced polymer. You can see on the left, there is a design of a frontal protection system for our vehicles. In the middle, there is a numerical simulation with a human body model to validate the frontal protection system and to ensure the commission that it is safe for pedestrians. On the right side, you can see the final product mounted on the Toyota Land Cruiser. Another example is the use of cork in helmets due to its energy absorbing properties, huge energy absorbing properties. On the right side, there is a design of a helmet created by a company with a cork inside layer. And on the left side, you can see a schematic picture where this cork is mounted into the helmet. And it is described further in the book chapter, but I'd like to inform you that the tests, the validation tests for these helmets were very successful, and the energy absorption, the level of energy absorption was extraordinary. Quick conclusions. Cork is a remarkable natural raw material with a unique combination of synergetically reinforced properties. It is suitable for various applications, from typical bottle stopper to a sophisticated thermal isolation shield for engines and rocket tanks. The knowledge in modern materials engineering enables the continuous expansion of the application area of cork and its composites. And research on innovative cork application is also continued. Cork is a precious gift of the nature that must be treated with respect and used as widely as possible, sustainably and ecologically. I would like to further present you the literature used in our book chapter. And at the end, I would like to, on behalf of the whole Wrocław University of Science and Technology team, thank you very much for your attention.